Hello all of you. In today's lecture, we are going to discuss about typical OLAP operations. So as I'm given here, there are four basic operations here. Roll up, which is also called as drill up, drill down, which is called as roll down, slice and dice, and pivot, which is used for rotation purpose. Coming to our first OLAP operation, roll up, this is used for summarization of the data. So it is done by climbing up the hierarchy or by dimension reduction. The second operation is drill down. It is similar, only the difference is that it is reverse of roll up. So here we are moving from higher level summary to lower level summary or detailed data or maybe introducing new dimensions as well. Slice and dice operation, it is similar to project and select operation. Slice is similar to project operation. Dice is similar to select, which is belongs to our relation algebraic operations in database management systems. The next operation is pivot, which is used for rotation purpose. It is used to reorient the cube. It is used for visualization, three dimensions to a series of two-dimensional planes. So these are the four very important OLAP operations. The other two operations are drill across and drill through. Drill across, it involves more than one fact table. Drill through here to the bottom level of the cube to its backend relational tables. This is performed using SQN. As you can see here, we have a cube here, which is consisting of the dimensions on x-axis, y-axis, and z-axis. On x-axis, you have the dimensions, items, or types. On y-axis, you have time, and z-axis, you have locations. When I apply the first operation roll up, this is what my first cube looks like. So roll up on location. So here from cities to countries, the transition takes place from cities to countries. Now when I apply drill down operation on time, this original cube will look like this. So this is performed in either two ways. First one is by dimension reduction, or you can also apply some other method which we will discuss soon. When we apply slice operation on this cube, this is what a new subcube looks like. Slice and dice, as discussed earlier, these are similar to your project and select operations. So if I'm applying slice for time, my new subcube looks like this. When I'm applying dice operation, so here we can have more than one dimension. Okay, we can apply dice operation on more than one operation, and we can get this. In this way, we'll have a new subcube. Pivot is used for rotation purpose. So as you can see here, if I'm applying pivot here, I'm actually changing the axis of these dimensions. So here location, okay, location comes on x-axis, whereas items are on y-axis. All the dimension changes here. This is the explanation of the same OLAP operations. First is OLAP. So yeah, as discussed, it can be performed in two ways. First is by climbing up the concept hierarchy, and second is by dimension reduction. So this is my original cube. When I'm applying roll up, my new cube looks like this. As you can see, I have reduced the dimensions location here. Second operation is roll down. Here I'm actually increasing the dimensions. It is reverse of roll up. So drill down is the reverse operation of roll up. It is performed by either of the following ways. Step number one, by stepping down a fixed hierarchy for a dimension, or by introducing a new dimension. So when I'm applying this operation on an original cube, my new cube looks like this. As you can see here, I'm applying drill down on the time so now the values changes from quarters to months now. Initially I was having quarter 1, quarter 2, quarter 3, quarter 4. Now I'm getting a cube with new values which ranges from months. Third operation is slice. So the slice operation selects one particular dimension from a given cube and provides a new subcube. So yeah, when I'm applying slice operation on for time Q1, my new subcube looks like this. The, the fourth operation is dice. So dice selects two or more dimensions from a given cube and provides a new subcube. So here I'm using this dice for location and time. So two dimensions, I'm selecting here location and time, and then I'm obtaining a new subcube from it, which basically consists of the item types, the quadrants, the time, and this locations. So the dice operation on the cube, based on the following selection criteria, it involves three dimensions as discussed, location, time, and item also. Here we also have location, time, and item. The fifth operation is pivot.
This represents your location or cities in this case. This is our initial cube. So given a particular question, we need to always create a OLAP cube and then we have to apply certain operations. Now on this cube, if I apply a roll-up operation
Also known
on
as rotation, and it
locations,
rotates the data
so this is
axis
how
in
my new cube
in order to
looks
provide an
like.
alternative presentation of the
I'm
data. So
actually
we
applying this
um,
roll-up operation, and the definition of
in the
roll-up
next
says
lecture
that
we will
it is
solve a
used for
numerical
summarization
of
of
OLAP
data,
cube.
and it is actually done by
We will stop here.
climbing up
Thank
the
you.
hierarchy